Let's talk about AWS IAM. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. Think of it like a security guard for your cloud resources on AWS. IAM controls who can do what with your AWS stuff. You don't want just anyone accessing your important data, right? IAM helps you manage users and their permissions. You decide who gets access to which AWS services and what they can do. It's super important for keeping your cloud environment secure. With IAM, you can prevent unauthorized access and keep your data safe and sound. IAM has key components that work together like a team. First up, we have users. These are like individual accounts for people or applications needing access to your AWS resources. Then there are groups. You can group users with similar permissions together. This makes managing permissions easier, especially if you have a lot of users. Next, we have roles. Roles are similar to users but are meant for AWS resources or applications that need to perform actions on your behalf. Last but not least, we have policies. Think of policies as rules written in a specific language, JSON, that define what actions a user, group or role can perform. Let's talk about multi-factor authentication, MFA. It's like having an extra lock on your door. With MFA, you need more than just a password to log in. You'll also need a code from your phone or a security key. This makes it much harder for bad guys to access your account even if they steal your password. Always enable MFA for your AWS accounts. It adds an extra layer of security and gives you peace of mind knowing your account is well protected. Let's see how IAM is used in the real world. Imagine you have a team of developers. You can use IAM to give them access to specific AWS services they need for their work, like EC2 for running virtual servers or S3 for storing files. Another example is securing applications. You can use IAM roles to grant permissions to your applications so they can access other AWS services without needing your secret keys. IAM is like a Swiss Army knife for cloud security. You can use it to control access to your S3 buckets, manage permissions for your databases, and much more. By using IAM effectively, you can significantly reduce the risk of security breaches and keep your AWS environment safe and secure.